This segment is sponsored by John C. Flood. This October, John C. Flood joined us in celebrating breast cancer survivors at our Still Standing event.
And they went a step further with the Wrap Your Home in Love contest, where a deserving breast cancer survivor would win an all-new free Bryant HVAC system. Well, we have our winner. And recently I went out and met with her at her home right here in the DMV.
I was taking a shower and I felt this lump, and I know it wasn't normal, to feel a lump in that area. So I made an appointment with the Breast Cancer Center in Washington, D.C. I had about 20 rounds of chemo every 3 weeks. I was still working, going through chemo, lost my hair. There were days I had to struggle just to walk. There were days where I had to climb up the steps. Not climb, but crawl up the steps. And that was hard. God was with me, but He told me I had to go through to get to, and to trust Him, and that's what I did. On my way home, I happened to look at my message, and I recognized Chris Thompson. I said, okay, well, let me read this while I'm at the stoplight, right? I wanted to get out my car and dance in the street, but I know I couldn't do that. I was thrilled, super thrilled. I had to hold back my tears, because I had to see how to drive home.
She was just over the world excited. I think she started crying, so it's something that you wish you could do it for everyone, but the heartfelt warmth that she gave us for finding out that she was going to stay warm, in actuality, helping her with her heating and air conditioning system was very, very important to us. And once we got to explain that to her, her soul is beautiful, absolutely wonderful.
And I am so thankful for you guys. I really, really am. You just don't know. I'm really, really appreciative.
For all the information you need about John C. Flood and the good they do in the community, you can head to johncflood.com.